In a recent video, I showed you guys a company that is producing an eyeglass bit that works in the standard Leatherman bit exchanger. So for those that have tools that do not have the eyeglass driver, you do have the ability to add that onto your multi-tool with the standard bit exchanger using these bits. These come in a 3-pack from Cosmedge, and while I was there I checked out some other things that they had, and I picked up this set. This is a security bit set that they sell. It includes spanners, tri-wings, and clutch bits of different sizes. Comes included with the bit sleeve and the little cable carabiner deal here so that you can attach this to different gear. Maybe you want to put it on a pack or something. And this extension, which I thought looked very, very nice. Now, this one has magnetic retention on it as well as the ring retention up at the top, and will fit all of the Leatherman bits or all of the Leatherman style bits quite well. And as you saw on the end of this, they actually mold in a receiver for your extensions or your bits so that you can use the sleeve as a handle for your screwdriver, which I thought was unique. This is the first company that I've seen that have done that, and I'm kind of surprised that that hasn't been done before. Leatherman probably should have done that. Anyway, they do sell other bits, replacement bits for the Leatherman style bits, and they're made out of S2 steel. They're quite a bit better than the softer bits that you get out of Leatherman. So I wanted to introduce you guys to this if you haven't seen them yet already. This kit together cost about $31, if I didn't say that before. So if you're in need of security bits that you want to have a little extra functionality on your Leatherman tool, you can check out Cosmedge on Amazon, and they will have at least a small selection of something that might help you out. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.